They take an old, ordinary trailer and transform it right before your eyes into a wild Cybertruck-style camper van that looks like it came straight from Tesla's secret design workshop. Watch until the end, because when you see the final Cybertruck-style camper van, you'll seriously start thinking, could I build something like that? The first step in this project is laying a solid foundation on top of a simple trailer sitting in the middle of an empty workshop. The craftsman with long lumber first covers the plywood base, then carefully aligns the wooden frame that will form the foundation of the Cybertruck-style camper van. He measures and marks every meter, placing each plank to support both the trailer and the walls that will rise later. In this scene, the backbone of the entire project is actually laid, because the solidity of the resulting camper van begins right here, with this first layer of foundation. The bare skeleton on top of the trailer is now slowly beginning to transform into the sharp Cybertruck-style lines. In this scene, the craftsman has entered the interior, using a nail gun to attach massive wooden panels to the body. The lattice-like wooden frame he's built on the roof forms the backbone of the future roof and lighting, while the sloping form of the sidewalls already hints at the Cybertruck feel. With each pull of the trigger, the body closes a little more, the boundaries of the interior become clearer, and step by step, a futuristic camper van cabin is born inside an ordinary trailer. Now he moves on to the really fun part and prepares the special modules that will reveal the character of the Cybertruck camper van. On the workbench, there's a box-shaped structure with sharp lines and a matte dark finish, and the craftsman with a drill in hand is attaching the sliding rails to the body with millimeter precision. This piece will become a clever storage unit or camping kitchen that slides outwards and can be pulled out from the side panel of the camper van with a single movement, ready for use. With each screw tightened, it transforms from an empty box into a fully functional Cybertruck module, thus preserving the aggressive triangular lines of the exterior design while providing maximum storage and comfort inside. And now the interior of this Cybertruck camper van, converted from a trailer, has literally transformed into a spaceship. White and purple LED strips winding between the triangular panels on the ceiling, combined with the sharply defined walls, create an atmosphere somewhere between a game room and a luxurious cockpit. While the craftsman adds the finishing touches to the hidden hatch in the ceiling, the readily available power outlets, shelves, and secret storage spaces in the rear demonstrate that the camper is truly a livable, comfortable, and futuristic sanctuary. The moment you step inside, it's hard to believe this camper van was simply converted from a trailer. And here's the finale. The old trailer that stood in the middle of the workshop has completely disappeared, replaced by a pristine-looking Cybertruck-style mini camper that looks like it just came out of the oven. On the ladder, the craftsman tightens the last screws, fitting the metal panel joints together and literally armoring the sharp-edged body. The opening front hatch, the large service compartment on the side, and the black panels on the roof make this small camper look both aggressive and ultra-modern. In this scene, the trailer we saw naked at the beginning of the video is now ready to hit the road, a compact, futuristic Cybertruck camper. All that's left to do now is to attach the vehicle to the trailer and take this handcrafted beast for its first test drive.